Alrighty guys, welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the top dividend stocks that I am buying right now to have a rich retirement. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, make sure you guys go ahead and ask them down below. So starting off with stock number one. Stock number one is ticker symbol ABBV. Now, the reason why I love this one so much is one, it has an absolute beautiful upward trend. So you're going to be getting growth on the stock value side, and you're going to be getting some amazing dividends. Now, this is not a one-trick pony. They have a whole bunch of fantastic products, and if you actually look at their past couple of earnings, they bring in a lot of money. So this past earnings, they brought in about $13.5 billion, and they missed their earnings, which kind of caused, this stock to sell off a little bit, but immediately got rebounded, right? Now, looking at it here, you guys can see you're going to be getting paid $1.41 per quarter to hold this stock. Now, personally, this is one of my favorite stocks here and one that I am going heavy in. I definitely think the long-term outlook for this company is very, very large. Now, moving on to stock number two. Stock number two is ticker symbol MS. Now, this one here is Morgan Stanley. This one here is going to be one that is going to be a little more volatile, but if we zoom out, it still does have that, long-term upward trend that we look for. So you will still get growth on the dividend side, and you're going to be getting growth on the stock value side. We've seen some decent sell-off from about 108 to about right now it's at about $86, so it's definitely sold off, and in my opinion, this is the time to buy. You never want to buy when it's hitting all-time highs or anything like that. You want to buy when it's down here. Looking at their past dividend of about 70 cents, this is fantastic. You're going to be getting growth, you're going to be getting dividends, and their past earnings beat expectations. They brought in about $14.8 billion. And if you guys look at it, this was a surprise of about $532 million. And now when they announced it, it had an initial pop up. But since the general market has been selling off, we've just seen more selling pressure causing this thing to curl back down, when in reality, we should be looking at about anywhere from 97 to about 103 for that price target. Now, moving on to the next one. The next one here, in my opinion, is ticker symbol WM. WM is also known as Waste Management. So the beauty of Waste Management is it does very good during all times, right? Whether we're having a crash, whether we're having a bull bear market, people need to get rid of waste. They need to get rid of trash. They need to do that no matter what. So it's a beautiful stock to have in your portfolio. It has a great upward trend, as you guys can see. The stock really doesn't move as much. You will notice the highs here at 170. It's sold off $9 a share, which is virtually not much. And their past earnings, beating expectations, brought in almost about $4.6 billion, and that was a surprise of about $200 million. Their past dividend was about 65 cents. This is a company you're not going to have to worry about at all. This is one that you guys can just invest, hold it, and not even worry about it twice. The next one here is the one and only Apple, right? I think Apple should be in every dividend portfolio that you guys have. It has an absolute powerhouse of a company, right? They hold hundreds of billions of dollars in cash. So this is a company that's not going to shut their dividend down anytime soon. The reason why is because they have so much cash on hand that it's crazy, right? Hundreds of billions of dollars. The past earnings, they brought in $97 billion, a surprise of almost $4 billion, plus a dividend of 23 cents per quarter. This is one that you're not going to have to worry about. It's a great investment and one that I'm pretty going heavily in, given that we've seen some sell-off all the way down to about 150 as of right now. The next one here is ticker symbol MA. Ticker symbol MA is also known as Mastercard. So Mastercard here, there's a lot of beautiful things about it. One, it's very, very, very easy to swing trade this thing, right? We have resistance up here at almost 400, support right here at about 325. You guys can make textbook swing trades just from holding this. And this is one that you hold it, you don't even have to worry about it because it does kind of consolidates. Looking at their past earnings, brought in about $5.1 billion, a surprise of about $226 million. Their dividend was about 50 cents. So you're going to be getting growth, you're going to be getting good swing trade opportunities, and you're going to be getting that 50 cents per quarter. This is one that is an absolute no-brainer investment. So the last and final one that I want to go ahead and talk about is ticker symbol UPS. Now this one here is a fantastic company here. And this is an absolute cash flow generating machine with returns over $7 billion to its shareholders this past year. Looking at their past dividend, $1.52 plus an absolute great earnings of about $24.3 billion. This is one that does have steady growth, nice upward trend, resistance up here at about 230, support here at 170. It's sold off, it's undervalued, good earnings, good dividend of $1.50. I think that this is an absolute baller of a deal, guys. So these are the top stocks that I am buying to have a rich retirement for dividends. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, ask them down below. But other than that, we are all done with the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, ask them down below. But we will see you guys later. Take care.